Investing in 2025, a new dawn for your finances. Imagine a world where your financial dreams are within reach, where every decision you make brings you closer to your goals. The year is 2025. The future is here, and it's filled with endless possibilities. The world is brimming with opportunities and challenges. Every corner you turn, there's a new chance to grow your wealth and secure your future. The investment landscape is no different. It's dynamic and exciting. The markets are evolving, and with the right knowledge, you can navigate them successfully. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, it's crucial to have a solid plan. A well thought out strategy can make all the difference in achieving your financial goals. This video will be your guide. We'll break down complex concepts into easy to understand steps, ensuring you're well equipped to make informed decisions. We'll explore strategies for every type of investor. Whether you're looking to grow your wealth aggressively or prefer a more conservative approach, there's something here for you. Let's unlock your financial potential together. With the right tools and knowledge, you can achieve financial freedom. Investing is not just about making money. It's about building a foundation for your future, creating a safety net for you and your loved ones. It's about securing your future. Imagine the peace of mind that comes with knowing you're financially stable. It's about achieving your dreams, whether it's starting a business, traveling the world, or simply enjoying a comfortable retirement. Your investments can make it happen. From buying a home to retiring comfortably, your investments can make it happen. Every step you take today brings you closer to the life you envision. So, are you ready to take control of your financial destiny? Let's dive in. Together we'll explore the strategies and tools you need to succeed in this new financial era.
Millennials, you're the future. You have time on your side. This is your biggest advantage. Start investing early and watch your money grow exponentially. Don't be afraid to take calculated risks. Remember, the biggest risk is not taking any risk at all. Start with a solid financial foundation. Create a budget and stick to it. Next, build an emergency fund. This will protect you from unexpected expenses. Now, you're ready to start investing. Remember, slow and steady wins the race.
Diversification is key to a resilient portfolio. Imagine your investments as a breakfast plate. You wouldn't just have eggs, right? You'd want some fruit, maybe some toast. It's the same with investing. Spread your investments across different asset classes. This can include stocks, bonds, real estate, and more. Consider adding some spice with sustainable investing. Support companies that align with your values. Don't forget about crypto diversification. While volatile, crypto can add an exciting dimension to your portfolio. Growth sectors, riding the wave of innovation. The world is changing rapidly, and with it, the landscape of opportunities is evolving. Technology is advancing at an unprecedented pace, driving innovation across various industries. Healthcare is evolving to meet new challenges, with breakthroughs in medical research and treatment options. Investing in these sectors is like catching a wave. It requires timing, skill, and a keen eye for potential. You need to be ready for the ride, equipped with knowledge and strategy to navigate the ups and downs. Consider companies at the forefront of artificial intelligence, cloud computing, and renewable energy. These sectors are not just trends, They are shaping the future. In healthcare, look for companies developing groundbreaking treatments and therapies. Innovations in this field can lead to significant advancements in patient care and outcomes. Remember to do your research and invest wisely. Knowledge is your best tool in making informed decisions. Don't chase every hot stock. The market can be volatile and trends can be misleading. Instead, focus on companies with solid fundamentals and long-term potential. These are the investments that can weather the storm and provide steady growth over time.
Retirees and near retirees, protecting your nest egg. Retirement is a time to enjoy the fruits of your labor. Your investment strategy should focus on preserving capital and generating income. Bonds are your friends. They offer stability and predictable returns. Dividend stocks can provide a steady stream of income. Consider companies with a long history of paying dividends. Inflation is a silent killer. Protect your purchasing power with inflation-protected securities. These investments adjust their returns based on inflation, ensuring your money keeps pace with rising prices.
Business owners and entrepreneurs, investing beyond your business. You've poured your heart and soul into your business, dedicating countless hours and resources to ensure its success. Now, it's time to think about the future and diversify your wealth beyond your company. Diversification is key to protecting your financial future. Reinvesting in your business is crucial for growth, allowing you to expand, innovate, and stay competitive in the market. But don't neglect other investment opportunities that can provide additional security and growth potential. Alternative investments can add an extra layer of diversification, reducing risk and potentially increasing returns. These can include private equity, real estate, and commodities. Each of these asset classes offers unique benefits and risks. Emerging markets offer exciting potential for high returns, as these economies are rapidly growing and evolving. These are countries with rapidly growing economies, often characterized by significant industrialization and modernization. Think of countries in Asia where technological advancements and urbanization are driving economic growth. Africa, with its vast natural resources and young population, and Latin America, with its diverse economies and growing middle class. Investing in emerging markets can be more volatile but also more rewarding, offering opportunities for significant gains. Remember to diversify across different regions and sectors to spread risk and maximize potential returns. A well-diversified portfolio is essential for long-term financial stability and growth.
Expert insights, words from the Titans. When something is important enough, you do it even if the odds are not in your favor. Elon Musk. Don't let fear hold you back from investing. Start today, even if it's with a small amount. Your margin is my opportunity. Jeff Bezos. Look for investment opportunities that others might be overlooking. Think outside the box and be willing to take calculated risks. Remember, fortune often favors the bold.
Conclusion. Take charge of your financial future. The year 2025 holds immense promise for investors. Whether you're a millennial just starting out or a retiree seeking to preserve wealth, there's a strategy for you. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay disciplined, be patient, and don't be afraid to seek professional advice. Embrace the power of compounding. Let your money work for you. The sooner you start, the better. Your financial future is in your hands. Make it a bright one. Right.